Welcome everyone to Cybersecurity Roadmap 2026. In this presentation, we'll explore the complete step-by-step journey to become an industry-ready cybersecurity professional. Whether you want to become an ethical hacker, SOC analyst, cloud security engineer, or red team operator, this roadmap will guide you from fundamentals to advanced skills. So let's begin the mission. Cybersecurity is exploding in 2026 for three major reasons. First, AI security. Artificial intelligence is now integrated into businesses, apps, cloud systems, and automation. But with AI comes new vulnerabilities. AI model poisoning, prompt injection attacks, deepfake scams, and autonomous malware are creating an entirely new category of cyber threats. That's why AI security roles have increased massively. Second, the global talent gap. The world needs cybersecurity professionals faster than universities can produce them. Over 3.5 million cybersecurity positions remain unfilled globally. And third, cybercrime itself. Cybercrime is projected to cost over $15 trillion globally. That means companies are willing to pay huge salaries for skilled defenders and ethical hack. The cybersecurity career landscape is diverse. It includes the Pentesting or red team, which simulates attacks. The SOC or blue team focuses on defensive security and incident response. Specialized branches cover areas like cloud security, digital forensics, AppSec, and threat intelligence. Cybersecurity has multiple career paths. Let's break them down. First, red team or penetration testing. These are offensive security professionals. Their job is to think like hackers. They perform vulnerability assessments, exploitation, Active Directory attacks, web application testing, social engineering simulations. If you love hacking, problem solving, and offensive tools, this path is for you. Second, blue team or society. Blue team professionals defend systems against attacks. They monitor logs, investigate threats, respond to incidents, configure SIEM tools, hunt attackers inside networks. This is perfect for analytical minds who enjoy defense and investigation. Third, cloud security. Modern companies are moving everything to AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud Security Engine. Your first 3 months are all about building foundations. Without fundamentals, advanced hacking becomes impossible. Start with networking. Learn OSI model, TCP, IP, DNS, HTTP, and HTTPS, subnetting, routing, firewalls, VPNs. Networking is the language of cybersecurity. Next, Linux. Most cybersecurity tools run on Linux. Master, file permissions, bash commands, users and groups, cron jobs, SSH, package management, basic shell scripting. Then move into core security concepts. Learn CIA triad, authentication, authorization, encryption, hashing, IAM, access control. At this stage, don't rush into hacking tools. Focus on understanding how systems work, because hackers don't just use tools, they understand systems deeply. Now the real practical journey begins. Months 4 to 6 are about hands-on learning. Start with web security. Master the OWASP top 10 vulnerabilities. SQL injection, XSS. Broken authentication, SSRF. IDOR. Command injection, CSRF. Use Burp suite extensively. Learn. Request interception. Repeater. Intruder. Proxying traffic. Manipulating requests. Then begin labs. Use platforms like TryHackMe, Hack the Box, Portswigger Labs. Do not just watch tutorials. Actually exploit vulnerabilities yourself. At the same time, learn defensive concepts. Setup, Splunk, Wazoo, SIEM dashboards. Understand SOC workflows, log analysis, detection engineering, alert triage. This is where your theoretical knowledge transforms into real skills. Now comes the most important phase, specialization. This is where you choose your weapon. Path a red team. Focus on Active Directory attacks, Bloodhound, Kerber roasting, privilege escalation, Mimikatz C2 frameworks. Target certifications like eJPT, PNPT. Build attack labs and simulate real-world environments. Path B, blue team. Master, threat hunting, detection engineering, Sigma rules, incident response, EDR platforms like Wazoo and CrowdStrike. Target certifications like SC200, Path C, Cloud security, learn. AWS security, Azure security, IAM policies, container security, Kubernetes basics, zero trust architecture. Target certifications like CCSK. Remember, generalists struggle, specialists get hired. Your final phase is about becoming employable. First, build a home lab. Create Windows Active Directory environment, Linux machines, vulnerable systems, attack simulations. Practice real scenarios. Second, create technical write-ups. Publish CTF walkthroughs, lab reports, tool tutorials, security research. Use Medium, LinkedIn, GitHub. This builds credibility. Third, complete advanced labs. Attempt OSCP-style machines, enterprise attack simulations, multi-stage exploitation labs. And finally, optimize your online presence. Your GitHub should contain scripts, automation tools, configurations, documentation. Your LinkedIn should clearly show skills, certifications, labs completed, projects. In cybersecurity, proof of skill matters more than certificates alone. Here's the recommended certification path. Beginner level, Google Cybersecurity Certificate, CompTIA Security Plus, Intermediate, eJPT, PNPT, SC200, Advanced, OSCP, CISSP, CRTO. But remember something important. Certificates may open doors. Skills keep you inside. Every cybersecurity professional must master tools, reconnaissance, Nmap, Showdown, web security, Burp suite, OWASP ZAP, traffic analysis, Wireshark, TCP dump, exploitation, Metasploit, Blue Team, Splunk, Wazoo, The Hive. But don't become tool dependent. Tools evolve constantly. Your mindset and fundamentals are what truly matter. Cybersecurity is not easy. It requires consistency, curiosity, and relentless practice. But if you follow this roadmap seriously for the next 12 months, you can transform yourself from a beginner into an industry-ready cybersecurity professional. The industry is growing, the opportunities are real, and the best time to start is now. If this roadmap helped you, like the video, subscribe, and begin your cybersecurity journey today.